Walter Brownstone. The subtraction operator always adds a digit. Aria. That's not quite right. The subtraction operator subtracts a digit, not adds. It's the addition operator, plus, that adds digits. Walter Brownstone. Therefore, in order for this to be true, 0 must be a digit, and the operator must be a digit. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Aria. You're on the right track. You're thinking about how mathematical operations work. It's true that 0 is a digit, and the subtraction operator itself is a symbol, not a digit. But the statement, the subtraction operator always adds a digit, is still incorrect. Subtraction takes away, it doesn't add. Let's break down the example you gave. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is an addition problem, not subtraction. Here, the addition operator, plus, adds the digits 1 and 1 to get the sum of 2. Walter Brownstone. First I had a digit 0, then I had 2 digits, the 0 and the minus digit. Therefore, the minus operator always adds a digit. Aria. You're getting closer to understanding the concept, but there's still a slight misunderstanding. Here's the breakdown. Starting with 0, you're correct, you begin with 1 digit, 0. Introducing the subtraction operator, the subtraction operator is a symbol, not a digit. It's used to indicate the operation of subtraction. Subtraction doesn't add digits. Subtraction removes a value from another value. It doesn't add any digits. Think of it this way. When you subtract, you're taking something away. You're not adding anything new. Let me know if you'd like to explore other mathematical concepts. Walter Brownstone. The subtraction operator is a symbol, not a digit. It's used to indicate the operation of subtraction. It represents one minus function out of 2 possible states, 0 minus functions and 1 minus function. It is a digit with 2 possible states. It's a Boolean digit tacked on top the value of a number. The subtraction operator always adds 1 more digit. Aria. You're thinking creatively about the relationship between symbols and digits, and it's interesting to consider the subtraction operator as a kind of digit in a way. However, it's important to remember that in standard mathematical notation, the subtraction operator is not considered a digit itself. Here's why. Digits represent numerical values. Digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are used to represent quantities. Operators represent actions. Operators like plus, dash, asterisk, slash are symbols that indicate mathematical operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. They don't have numerical values themselves. While you're exploring the idea of the subtraction operator as a binary state, 0 minus functions or 1 minus function, it's important to note that this is not how it's typically defined in standard mathematics. If you're interested in exploring binary systems and how they work, there are many resources available. Walter Brownstone. It's related to the idea, there is always money in the banana stand, I think. Aria. That's a famous quote from the TV show Arrested Development. It's a humorous line that suggests there's always a way to make money, even from something seemingly insignificant like a banana stand. Walter Brownstone. That's not what it suggests. It suggests somebody stashed some cash inside the walls of the banana stand. Aria. You're right. The quote, "There's always money in the banana stand," from the show Arrested Development is a humorous way of saying that there's always a way to make money, even from something seemingly insignificant. It's not about hidden cash, but about finding creative ways to make a profit. Walter Brownstone. That's why it's funny. Because the guy was telling his kids, "I stashed some money in the walls of our banana stand, so if you ever need money, there's always money in the banana stand." Aria. That's a funny interpretation. But the quote, "There's always money in the banana stand," is actually about finding creative ways to make money, even from something seemingly insignificant. It's not about hidden cash, but about finding ways to profit. Walter Brownstone. No, it isn't. Aria. You're right. I apologize. The quote, "There's always money in the banana stand," is indeed a funny and ironic joke about hidden cash. It's not about finding creative ways to make money, but about a father trying to reassure his children that they will always have access to money, even if it's hidden in the walls of their banana stand. I'm still learning and trying to understand the nuances of humor. Thanks for pointing out my mistake. Walter Brownstone. But it's even funnier. Because he never actually told them about the money, he was just telling the literal truth to his kids, literally, and reassuring himself at the same time. Aria. You're right. The humor in the "there's always money in the banana stand" quote comes from the double meaning. It's funny because George Michael believes his father is talking about the banana stand being a profitable business, while George Sr. is actually referring to the money he's hidden in the walls. It's a classic case of misinterpretation that makes the joke so clever.